With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so here's a question. It says that if n is greater than equal to r, then rcr plus r+1 cr plus r+2 cr up to ncr is equal to. Okay, so there's this series and we have to find out the final value of this series. Okay, so let's start. Before that, I must tell you some important identities used in PNC. Okay, so first one is, if you have r, c, r, then this can be written as any number. Right here I'm taking r+1. Okay, and there is a reason I'm taking it as r+1. So r+1, this rcr can be written as r+1 c r+1. Okay, why? Because the value of this rcr is finally actually equal to 1, right? Similarly, this r+1 c r+1 will also become 1. Okay, and hence you can take any value like k c k. Okay, so they are always equal. Okay, so this is the one thing that is important. And the second thing is, suppose you have n c k plus n c k, right? Suppose this is k plus 1. Okay, so if you have n c k plus 1 plus n c k, then you can write this as n plus 1 c k plus 1. Okay, so what I did is, if you have this n and n same, then on the RHS it will become n plus 1, and among k and k plus 1, the bigger value, that is k plus 1, will be taken. Okay, so these are the two important identities of P and C which we will use here. Okay, now let me write down the given expression or the given series. That was rcr plus r+1 cr plus r+2 cr up to ncr, right? So I can write this rcr as r+1 cr plus 1, right, using this first property. So this will become r+1 cr plus 1 plus rest will remain the same. So r+1 cr plus r+2 cr up to ncr. Okay, so I'm taking these two terms in consideration. Now here, see, we have r+1. Here also it is r+1, right? And the base is this r, and r+1 has a difference of 1, right? So we can use this second identity here, since this r+1 is same just like n, and this r and r+1 has a difference of 1 just like k and k plus 1. So I can write this using this as r plus 2 c r plus 1, right? This r+1 will be increased by 1, so r+2, and among r and r+1 I will take the bigger value, so r+1. So this finally became r+2 c r+1, right? And the rest from here will remain same, that is r+2 cr, right? Then r+3 cr up to ncr. Okay, now again, using the same second identity, I can write these two terms as r+3 cr plus 1, right? Because r+2 and r+2 is same, so I can write them as r+2 plus 1. So it is r+3, and among r and r+1 I will take the bigger one, so r+1, and the rest r+3 cr up to ncr, right? So similarly we can do this till last term, right? So finally, on the very last step, we will be left with n c r plus 1 plus ncr, and that will become n plus 1 cr plus 1. Okay, so this n plus 1 cr plus 1 will be our answer. Among the given options, option B says n plus 1 cr plus 1, so our answer will be option B. Okay, I hope this will help you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.